Alright, so to adjust the rear derailleur, you want to first put in its highest limit, which is the lowest gear, and make sure that the cogs on the cassette and the derailleur itself are in a straight line to each other. So when you spin it, there's no noise, and when you downshift it, it slides right into gear. Now after this part, you start upshifting it. Now it's not going into the next gear, kind of making some skipping noise. So we just add some tension to the line until it jumps in. Then you just repeat the process. Keep repeating it all the way up until again to the lowest limit. And from there, you use the low limit screw on the back and make sure that the cog is in line with, or the cassette is in line with the derailleur cog. And once it is, you shift through it one more time just to make sure everything is in order, which it appears to be. And most of the times, if it shifts properly but not into one, it's either the cassette is going bad or the derailleur hanger itself right here is bent to some degree. It's like that noise, most likely a derailleur hanger. But yeah, that's how you would adjust the derailleur.